Welcome students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the next part of the lesson number 5. In our previous class we have taken common factors, HCF, highest common factor and common multiples. Today we are going to proceed ahead with the lowest common multiple, that is the LCM of numbers. Okay, we have learned how to find the multiples of the numbers. Now we are going to study about the least common multiple, that is the lowest common multiple. Okay, let's see one example over here. Here, what are the numbers given to you? Suppose you have given the number 15 and 18. 15 and 18. Then you have to find the multiples of these two numbers. Let's write the multiples of 15 and 18. Multiples of 15. What are the multiples of 15? We know that 15, the table of 15 is called as the multiples of 15. That is 15 multiplied by 1, that is 15. 15 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 15 2s are 30. 15 multiplied by 3 means 15 3s are 45. 15 multiplied by 4, that is 15 4s are 60. 15 multiplied by 5, that is 75. Then 15 6s are 90. 15 7s are 105. These are the multiples of 15. Now let's write the multiples of 18. Multiples of 18. What are the multiples of 18? We know that the multiples of 18 are 18 1s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 18 4, then 18 5s are 90, 18 6s are 108. Now if you observe, then you are going to see here the common among this 15 and 18 is I think it is 90, correct? So the common multiple of 15 and 18 is equal to 90, and we know that 19 is the first common multiple of 15 and 18, and it is the lowest common multiple. It is called as the lowest common multiple, that is LCM of 15 and 18. The first common multiple of two number is called as the LCM of that two number, the first common multiple. See, let's see one more example. 3 and 5 I am taking here. What are the multiples of 3? What are the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. And the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Yes, what are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. Okay, these are the multiples of 5. Now, what are the common multiples of 3 and 5? Common multiples of 3 and 5 equal to, see here, what are the common multiple? The first common multiple is 15, the second common multiple I think it is 30. So 15 and 30 are the common multiples of 3 and 5. Okay, now we have to choose the lowest of the common multiple. What we have to choose? We have to choose the lowest of the common multiple. Which is the lowest here? This means the smallest value of common multiples. We are observing 15 is smaller, smallest value of the common multiple. So 15 is called as the LCM of 3 and 5 is equal to 15. Got it? I hope you understand what are the lowest common multiple. If you understand, then we go ahead to learn the methods of finding the LCM. This is also a method of finding the LCM. But every time you have to write so many multiples to get the LCM. So what we should do, we can find out the LCM by using some method, and that two methods are, first method is by using the prime factorization and the second by using the test of divisibility, that is the division method. The two methods are there to find the LCM. So the student, let's see the two methods of finding the LCM. Method 1 is prime factorization method and the method 2 division method. Second method is division method. Let's learn one example by both the method. See here, we have to find the LCM of 20 and 45. Find LCM of 20 and 45 by using the prime factorization method. Okay, see here, firstly we have to find the prime factors of 20. What are the prime factors of 20? We know that it is equal to 2 10s are 20. 10 is again going to factorize, that is 2 into 2 into 5. This is the prime factorization of 20, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, then 45 has a prime factorization. We know that 5 9s are 45 is there. 5 9s are 45 is there, and then 9 is again factorized as 3 multiplied by 3. So these are the prime factors of 45. 5 3 3. Now what we have to do to find the LCM of these two number? क्या करना है हमको इसका LCM find out करने के लिए? Firstly we have to find its common factor. See here, 5 is the common factor. Okay, and these two are uncommon factor. Here 2 is uncommon and 3 is also uncommon. So to find the LCM of the given number, what we have to do? We have to take common factors and multiply it with the uncommon factors. Now see here, the common factor is 5, that I am writing once only. Then maximum of 2 occurs 2 times. 2 occurs 2 times uncommonly. So I am writing that to both. That I am writing the 2 times. Also 3 comes maximum of 3 times. So also I am writing this 3 2 times. Now multiply to this. You will get the LCM of number 20 and 45. What will be the multiplication? 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 23s are 60 and 63s are 180. So 180 is a LCM of 20 and 45 by using this first method. Hope you understand this method. Okay. What we have done, again I am explaining. We have to first find the prime factors of 20. They are 2 into 2 into 5. Then I have find the prime factors of 45. They are 5 into 3 into 3. Then I picked a common factor among these two. I have written it over here. Then I have picked up the uncommon factors. I know 2 comes 2 times uncommonly and 3 comes 2 times uncommonly. So I have written all that factors. Then I got the multiplication as 180. So 180 is called as the LCM of 20 and 45. Got it? Let's see one more example by the same method. Second example. Let's find out the LCM of 12 and 16. 12 and 16. Firstly, we write what are the multiples of 12? Yes, we know that 2 6 are 12 is there, and 6 has again factorization 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, and the next number is 18. Next number is 18. What are the prime factorization? What is the prime factorization of 18? We know that 2 9s are 18 is there, and 9 has a factorization 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, now see here. What are the common factors? The common is 3 here. This common 2 is also here. Okay, 2 9s are 18, so 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. Now this 3 is common in both and 2 is common in both. So to find the LCM of 12 and 18, what I have to do? Firstly, I have write to common factor. 2 is common and this 3 is common. Now this 2 uncommon 2 appear one time and uncommon 3 appear one time. So I am writing that 2 factors also. Then I will get the LCM of number 12 and 18. What is the multiplication? 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12 and 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM of 12 and 18. Got it? Hope the method is clear to you. Now let's solve these two examples by the division method. Let's see what we have to do in the division method. Now what we have to do in the division method? We have already solved some example by using the division. Okay, method in HCF. We have find the HCF of number by division method. Now here we have to find the LCM by the division method. What we have to do? We have to draw. Firstly, we are solving 20 and 45. Here, what I am going to do? I am going to draw a standing line, then a sleeping line, and to the right side of that sleeping line, I am writing this number 20 and 45. 20 and 45 because I have to find the LCM of 20 and 45. If I have to find the LCM of three numbers, then all the three numbers I'll write there. Now I'll divide to both the number with a prime number. Which prime number divides to both the number? 2 is a prime number. 2 divides to 20 but does not to 45. 2 is not a factor of 45. Then 3. 3 divides to 45 but does not to 22. So also cancel 3. Then 4 is not a prime factor. Then next prime factor is 5. So divide by 5, and 20 and 45 both are divisible by 5. So I am going to divide it by 5. And I know 5 4s are 20 and 5 9s are 45. Now these both are uncommon numbers. There is no similarity between these. 4 is a even number, 9 is a odd number. They don't have any common factor. Also, they don't have any common prime factor. So firstly, I will divide to 4. 4 is divisible by a prime number 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. If I divide to 4 by 2, I got the quotient 2. And that quotient I have written here. This 9 I am writing as it is. Okay. Still the division of 2 completes. Now, I am going to divide to this 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2. In this way, the division of 20 finished. Now, I am going to write this number 9 as it is. And now I am going to divide this 9. This 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. This 3 is again divisible by 3. This one come as it is. So 3 1s are 3. To this side, in a division, there should be only prime numbers. And if I multiply to this prime numbers, then I got the LCM of the number 20 and 45. Got it? If I multiply to this prime factors, see here, you can say that this prime factor come like this. 5 2 2 3 3. 5 2 2 3 3. So the LCM is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and its multiplication is nothing but equal to 180. So 180 is a LCM of 20 and 45 by using the division method. So students, let's start with the lowest common multiple, exercise 5.4. In the first question, you have asked to find the multiples of given number orally. Okay, orally you have to find the lowest common multiple of the numbers. That is find LCM of following orally. Okay, now you have to find the LCM of the numbers orally. The first pair given to you is 2 and 4. Now, if you observe, then 2 has the multiples. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means 4 is nothing but the multiple of 2. Okay, 4 is nothing but the multiple of 2. And 4 has a multiples, 4 1s are 4. So 4 is the first multiple of 4 is a first multiple of 4, and 2 is a 4 is a second multiple of 2. Both are common. Okay, both have a LCM 4. Both have LCM equal to 4. Orally you can say. The second pair we will see. In the second pair you have given 3 and 6. We know that 6 is a factor of 3. 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 2s are 6. Okay, and 6 1s are 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is nothing but equal to 6. Then the next pair is 4 and 40. 4 and 40. Again this 40 is a multiple of 4. 4 10s are 40 and 40 1s are 40. This second number given to you are the first multiple of their self. So the LCM, least common multiple of both that number, is that second number only. Here 40. LCM is 40. So let's write the fourth pair. What is given in the fourth pair? 2 and 24. Yes. Again 2 12s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. So their LCM is equal to 24. Got it? Is it clear? Again the number 8 and 16. 8 and 16. 8 1s are 8 and 8 2s are 16, and 16 has a multiple, 16 1s are 16. So therefore LCM is equal to 16. Next 10 and 90. 10 and 90. What are the multiples of 10? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 20, 10 nines are 90, and 90 ones are 90 is the first multiple of 90. So their common multiple is 90 and lowest common multiple is also equal to 90. Let's solve next one. 6 and 18. 6 and 18. We know that 18 is the third multiple of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. And 18 is the first multiple of itself. So the common multiple of that two, first common multiple of 6 and 18 is 18. Therefore, LCM is equal to 18. LCM of 6 and 18 is equal to 18. And the last example you have given, it is 3, 6 and 9. 3, 6 and 9. Now see here. In the table of 9, in the table of 3, 9 comes, but in the table of 6, there is no number 9. Means 9 is not a multiple of 6. 9 is a multiple of 3. So 9 is not a LCM of all the 3 numbers. Now the next number in the table of 9 is 18. Now we know that 3 6 are 18. 6 3s are 18 and 9 2s are 18. So 18 is the first common multiple in all the 3 numbers. So LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is equal to 18. You can check it. Multiples of 3 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. Multiples of 6 are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Okay, and the multiples of 9 are 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. See here, 18 is the first common multiple of all the 3 numbers. Therefore, their LCM is equal to 18. Okay, got it? Now let's solve question number 2, finding the LCM of the given number by prime factorization method. So the student here is find LCM of following by prime factorization method. How will you find the LCM of the given numbers by prime factorization? We have learned the method already. So let's start with the questions. The first pair is 12 and 16. The first pair given to you is 12 and 16. So firstly we find the prime factors of 12. The prime factors of 12 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Or you can do it like this. 2 6 are 12 is there and the factors of 6 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now factorize to 16. The factors of 16 are 2 8s are 16 and factors of 8 are 2 4s are 8. Okay, and the factors of 4 are again 2 multiplied by 2. Now let's check the common factors. This 2 is common in both. This 2 is common in both. And these are the uncommon factors. Now let's find their LCM. So LCM is equal to this common to 2 times. And then write down the uncommon factor. Maximum of 2 occur 2 times. And the 3 occur 1 time. So multiply this to get the LCM. We know that 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. You can check by the table. We know that the table of 12 is 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48. And the table of 16, 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48. So the first common factor is 48. Multiple is 48. So both have a LCM 48. Now let's solve second example. In the second example, you have given the number 15 and 18. And we know the factorization of 15 is equal to 3 5s are 15. And the factors of 18 are 3 6 are 18 is there actually. And the factors of 6 are 2 into 3. So the common factor is 3 and these are the uncommon factor. So their LCM is equal to, firstly we will write the common factor, then uncommon factor. 3, 2 and 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So 90 is the LCM of 15 and 18. Okay, got it? Let's solve one more example. Some more examples. Third example. Let's solve the number 45 and 36. 45 and 36 to get its LCM. Prime factorization of 45 is, we know that 15 3s are 45 and 15 has a factorization 3 into 5. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is a factorization of 45. You can check. 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45. And the factors of 36 are, we know that 2 18s are 36 and 18 has a further factorization like this. So 2 into factors of 18, that is 3 into 2 into 3. We can write it as 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Got it? Now let's check the common factors. This 3 is common with this 3. This 3 is common with this 3. These are the uncommon factors. So their LCM is equal to common factors 3 and 3. And then uncommon factor 5 and 2 and 2. Now multiply to this. We know that 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 29s are 180. So their LCM is equal to 180. Got it? 180 is LCM of 45 and 36. Let's solve the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 18 and 45. 18 and 45. What are the factors of 18 and 45? 18 has a factorization. We have already written the factorization of 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Also the factorization of 45 we have written. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. You can write it in any sequence. So the common factors are, what are the common factors? This 3 is common, this 3 is common, and 5 and 2. So LCM is equal to, firstly common factors and then uncommon factors. That is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 2s are 90. Their LCM is 90, 18 and 45. Got it? Hope you understood the method of prime factorization very well. Fifth example is 20 and 72. What are the prime factors of 20? We know that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 is 20. And the prime factors of 72 are, we know that 36 2s are 72. Okay, 18 2s are 36. And 2 9s are 18. And 3 3s are 9. This is the prime factorization of 70. You can check. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 3s are 72. Okay, or 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. In this way, you will get the 72. Now, what is the common among this? This 2 is common. This 2 is common. And these are the uncommon factors. So, LCM of 20 and 72 is equal to factors of common term multiplied by uncommon factors. That is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So, what is the multiplication of this? We know that the multiplication of this is equal to 72 into 5. That is 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 7s are 5 7s are 35 plus 1. 360 is the LCM of 20 and 72. Now let's solve the next example. Example 6. In the example 6, you have to find the LCM of 36 and 84. 36 and 84. Okay. So what is the prime factorization of 36? We know that 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. So 2 into 18. 18 has a factorization 2 9s are. And 9 has a factorization 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Okay. And 84 has a factorization. We know that 42 2s are. 42 2s are 84. 42 has a factorization 2 into 21. 21 has a factorization 3 7s are. So what are the common factors here? 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common. These are the uncommon factors. So the LCM of 36 and 84 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now what is the multiplication of these terms? Just multiply to 84 by 3. You will get the LCM. Because here 2, 2, 3, 7. 2, 2, 3 and 7 gives us 84. If you multiply to 84 by 3, you will get the LCM. That is equal to 25. 252 is the LCM of 36 and 84. It is very easy to solve. Just you have to increase your thinking power to find the LCM, do the calculation. Okay. Just do the well practice of finding the LCM and be perfect in finding the LCM, because we have to use the LCM in fractions also. To add the fraction, to subtract the fraction, we need LCM of its denominator. Okay, so let's solve for the more example. Example 7 and 8. Number 6 is 15 and 17. What is the prime factorization of 15? We know that 3 5s are 15. And the 75 has a factorization. We know that 25 3s are 75. And 25 has a factorization 5 multiplied by 5. So 3 and 3 is common, 5 and 5 is common. This is uncommon 5. So LCM of 15 and 75 is equal to 3, then 5 and 5. And we know that 3 into 5 into 5 is nothing but equal to 75. So LCM of 15 and 75 is 75. Okay. Now let's solve 72 and 96. What is the prime factorization of 72? We know that 36 2s are 72. 36 2s are 72. You can check. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Then the 36 has a factorization 2 into 18. 18 has a factorization 2 into 9. 9 has a factorization 3 into 3. So this is the prime factorization of 72. Then 96. 96 has a factorization. We know that 48 2s are 96. 2 into 48. 2 8s are 6, carry 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Now 48 has a factorization 2 into 24. Okay, then 24 has a factorization 2 into 12. 12 has a factorization 2 into 6 and 6 has a factorization 2 into 3. So this is a total factorization of 96. Now let's check the common one. This 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common, then this 3 and 3 are common. So LCM of 72 and 96 is equal to common 2 first we will write. These are the common 2, this is the common 3. Now write down the uncommon factors 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So if you multiply to these numbers, then you will get the answer 96. And if you multiply to 96 by 3, you will get the LCM of 72 and 96. So 96 into 3, that is equal to 288. So 288 is the LCM of 72 and 96. In this way, you have to find, you can find out the LCM of any two numbers by using the prime factorization method. Okay. Now, the second method of finding the LCM is the division method. You have to find the LCM of the given number by using division method. So, let's see that method in our third question of exercise 5.1. In the beginning of the session, I have explained you how to find out the LCM by division method. So, let's get towards the question number 3 directly. And I am going to explain simultaneously, I will write and explain simultaneously how to solve the LCM, how to find the LCM by using the division method. Okay, see here, the first number given to you is 14 and 56. Okay, I have told you earlier what you have to do. You have to draw a standing line and make a partition of it. Okay, here you have to write both the numbers 14 and 56. Now find out a number which will divide to both the numbers at a time. We know that 14 and 56 both are divisible by a prime number. A number by which we are going to divide should be a prime number only. Here we have to write only prime numbers. Okay, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These numbers should come here only. No other numbers, that is other than prime number, will not come here. Okay, 2 7s are 14 and 2 28s are 56. Okay, 2 7s are 14. If you divide to 14 by 2, you will get the quotient 7. If you divide to 56 by 2, you will get the quotient 28. Now, these both numbers are divisible by 7, prime number. 7 is a prime number and both are divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7 and 7 4s are 28. Now, this 4 is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and this division is complete over here. Now, we have to finish this also. 2 1s are 2. Now, these are the common and uncommon prime factors of 14 and 56. Just multiply to them to get the LCM. So, LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 2 into 2. So, if you multiply, you will get 2 7s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So, 56 is the LCM of 14 and 56. We know that 14 4s are 56 and 56 1s are 56. Directly also we can say. But we have to go by step by step. Let's solve the second question. In the second question, you have to find the LCM of 15 and 18 by the same method. So again do the same, follow the same steps, 15 and 18. Now see here, this 15 and 18, 18 is divisible by 2, it's a even number, but this number is not divisible by 2. So what will we go? We will divide by 3 because both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Now this 5 and 6 are not divisible by a same number. So what will we do? Firstly we will divide to 5 by 5 because 5 is a prime number, 5 and 5. And we will write this 6 as it is. Now this 6 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. And again 3 is divisible by 1 only. Sorry, 3 only. So 3 ones are 3. So these are the prime factors, prime, common and uncommon factors of 15 and 18. So LCM of 15 and 18 is equal to 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. That is 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 33s are 90. So 90 is the LCM of 15 and 18. In the third example, you have to find the LCM of 15 and 45. 15 and 45. The same steps we have to follow. 15 here, 45 here. Both are divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 15 3s are 45. Okay. Again both are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. This division is finished, but this is not. So let us divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 15 and 45 is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. That is 15 3s are 45. So 45 is LCM of 15 and 45. It is the so easy method to find the LCM of given numbers. Okay, let's solve some more example to learn it clearly and to practice it very well in our next session. Okay, next session we will solve further example. Till that you try to solve the remaining examples of exercise 5.4 question number 3. Okay.